Hello, my all curious mind, and welcome back this amazing small talk English conversation video where we can learn something valuable from the great philosopher's message. Now you can see it's raining, but I continuously try to make a video because I am so dedicated to make every day a single video, because in this way my routine will be going on and I can stick on my habit, so I can't be procrastinate my habit. So this is my dedication or a courage. Now let's move towards the Albert Camus philosophy. What he exactly tried to make us and give a lesson to the is to the whole world. Now his philosophy is totally different because we read and we understood everything related to the courage and how we can dedicate it towards our ambition. But what he said and what his philosophies try to make us understand, he said that firstly, I'm just giving an example. Usually he just trying to push a huge stone, push up to the top of the mountain. He wake up early in the morning every day and just trying to roll up the stone and just trying to put at the point of the mountain. One day he reached and just reached that point where he want to put that stone on the mountain, but suddenly the stone rolled down and the stone came that point where he started from the first day. And the Camus was shocked. Yes, Camus was shocked and he was just thinking that. And the next day he started from the same point. And after rolling up, he just realizing the thing. If I do in this way, would it be this is the purpose of my life? And he also forget where the point and where I have to go. So he decided, if I continuously struggle, then it would be possible my life will be good, because I reached but I got fail, because his Albert Camus philosophy. I'm not saying that it is not good and it give you a disadvantage and useless message, but he what make you understand. He just trying to make you understand. The thing is, sometimes we are just trying to working hard. We are giving a lot effort in a very good way or in a very hard way, but the success won't seems easily. So we have to just change the life, we have to change the path and just trying to find the life purpose and how we can live and how we can enjoy. Yes, Camus just say that we have always two options. If we struggle but the struggle won't give you any such type of success, then you can change your way and just trying to find the other way, how you can live, how you can perform this life in a good way. Then he changed and just finding the way how we can live in a happily, how we can live happily. He just finding himself. So his philosophy is nothing that he just trying to make you understand. Sometimes we feel uncomfortable, we just trying to working hard, we giving a lots of effort, but the success won't seem. So we have to change our path and just trying to find the other way how we can grab it. Even though the road would be more difficult, but we have to work, we have to just walk on it. But the road is so hard, so ruins way, and we can't be able to survive, we can't be able to go through it. But we have that, we have an other option, we can just trying to go through it. We have to face the situation, we have to change the way, what where what the way we are just struggling, and just think and just doing an effort. Yeah, some people are thinking about it. What's the philosophy like that? Albert Camus just trying to say that. Try to find the meaningful life. Don't try to struggle hard, just trying to keep it concise and finding the self, how you can be the best version of yourself, because sometimes our efforts seem as a absurd. Yes, absurd. So it's raining, but my motive is that I have to make a video and just trying to connect with you. In this way you can also connecting to me and watching me in a clear way, because I am a small content creator and I don't have a skills, but I'm just trying to give my effort and hoping that you will enjoy, and sooner or later you will just hit the like and subscribe button, and I can give you a notification when my video will come on YouTube. So what comes in your mind? So please let me know in the comment section what the way you are just struggling and what a kind of way you can improve yourself. So don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Your small comment or a subscription help me to courage to make a good or a relevant video for my viewer. So keep learning, and thank you for being a part of a small conversation every day where I just used to make a 5 to 6 minutes video. So goodbye, take care. I hope this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so please hit the like and subscribe button. So goodbye, take care. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye for now.